Pete Minnick. Start your browser at kayak.com.
Okay.
What's
Wait,
your
kayak?
yeah? Kayyak.
Oh. Alright.
What's your initial impression of the site?
Plain.
Plain.
Yeah.
What do you think the website is about?
Flying.
Okay. What do you think about the style of the site? Like the headers and tabs and whatnot?
There's really not much to it whatsoever. It looks like it's like, I don't know, doesn't look like the front page of a website. Pretty poor.
Rate on a scale from 1 to 10 what you think of the website.
3, 4, 3.5.
Wow. You really don't like this site.
Ouch. It's pretty awful looking.
Can you please explain your reasoning?
I mean, I just typed in kayak.com, and what I'm brought with is just like this really bland interface. It's not a nice color orange. It's gray and white. I mean, nothing is grabbing my attention for what the point of this website is. I mean, I see airports here, but I mean, I guess you'd have to be in a niche to initially know what it's already for to even want to use this.
Mm.
But
what's the first thing you want to do on the website?
I don't know. Right now, I'm just taking a look at how I would even use it. But I guess if I actually had to fly somewhere, I would go from where, like Burlington, to I don't know, Newark.
All right. Let's try a scenario. Say you want to fly out of Burlington on the 9th of April and take a flight to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and return on the 13th of April. Your dates are flexible, you like morning flights, and you're a student, and you want to compare 3 other travel sites. How will you go about starting to find this trip?
I mean, I'm doing it right now. I would just go to Philly. What did you say? I liked the morning or something like that?
Yeah, morning flights.
Morning flights.
If you can't
both?
find it as an option. Yep.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward there, but now I get pop-ups, which I hate.
Oh no, you already clicked it. Alright, well that's fine. We'll skip to that. How do you feel about what just happened with the pop-ups?
Oh, that's offensive.
Offensive?
Yeah, I hate pop-ups.
Okay. Skip something. Alright, are you on the regular page? What's your impression of this page of the website?
This looks a little more legit. I mean, maybe it's just because they're numbers, but there's more to it. Compare sites versus kayak.
What would you want to click on first? Don't click on anything.
No, I'm not
what would
going
you?
to. There's nothing that's really grabbed my attention. I'm trying to make sense of it all right now.
Alright. How well do you think the website is laid out? Like this part of it?
Poorly.
Okay. What do you think the buttons and other things on the sides of the web page do?
I don't know. I'm just gonna click one of them. I'm gonna click orbits.
Oh wait, don't click orbit. Go back.
I did. It takes me to orbits. That's what I assumed it would do.
What about the left side?
The left side? I mean, it's just to customize it, but it's just like, there's no tabs. It's all just right out in the open. It just is a little,
Yeah.
I don't want to say overwhelming, but it's just
like kind of busy.
Yeah, it's too busy.
Alright. Can you find a flight here that matches, or at least comes close to what you put in the form?
Yeah. I mean, it's giving me basically what I would want.
Okay.
11:25. Yeah.
Alright. Now let's look at how you can change the information about your trip. Say you wanted your departure landing to be between 12:15 p.m. and 2:45 p.m. and your return landing to be between 9:30 a.m. and 12:45 p.m.
Alright.
How do you think you'll go about doing this?
Probably click on takeoff. Details? Nope.
Is any part of this confusing?
It's just not very. I mean, it's not. Here we go. Departure takeoff on the left. What? 12:15 was when I wanted to take off.
Mm-hmm. And 2:45.
All right. Well, you have the little knobs here on the left, and that's all we want. Just 12:15. No other time can overlap. It's just gotta be 12:15.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, no,
We can just move on.
Yeah, and hold on. Return. It's 2:45.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Is there another way you would like to do this?
Yeah, I'd want to just type it in, not have to mess with some silly little knobs.
Okay.
Worst website ever.
Is there anything you like or dislike about the website specifically?
I mean, I am able to customize my stuff like pretty heavily, but it's not easy to do. It's kind of clumsy.
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks like they're at some strange middle ground between being novel and being clever and like actually being useful.
Would you like to see anything on the webpage changed, added, or taken out?
Changed. I guess what I would want to be changed is more of just like instead of taking all the stuff on the left, maybe put tabs on the top to customize a little bit better. So it'd be like categorized more.
Okay. One final time, can you please rate on a scale from 1 to 10 what you think of the overall website? And can you explain your reasoning behind this rating?
I think it's got me up to about a 4.
So it went up?
It went up a little bit because I kind of I do appreciate how it is customizable, but like the slightest bit, it's really clumsy. It's not it's just an awkward website.
Alright.